Oh, you know how to break it?
Yeah.
Grabe, naka-video pa kami. Oh. You want to do it, dear? Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, you're on the video na, Lola. Ganito na lang. Ha?
Okay.
Okay. Very strong. Oh, no, strong. Harder. Ay, yan. And then, it's okay. You will, ano rin naman eh.
Don't use this anymore.
Hindi, pwede.
Kasi dito po yung lagay.
Binaba niya. Hindi, hugasan ko. Kana. Hindi, hugasan na lang. Pwede naman. Sige. You beat it. So, while beating it, dito ito na. Kasi pwede ko siyang kainin. 1 egg at a time lang ang gusto mo? Or you will eat pa?
What?
You will have to...
How many
Kasi I can eat that. Or you will eat that.
I'm cooking the food for you.
Ay, wow! For me pala.
Very good.
So,
1 egg at a time?
Ay!
That's the pan I will be using.
Yeah, because this is non-stick. So, beat it again pa. That's why I did not eat it. Ay! Why? At the back.
Okay.
You want the stand?
I want to record the pan so I can do this.
No. It will fall. Ay! Okay. I will help you muna, hit the fan.
Okay.
Oh, dito ha. It is like this, oh. Push a little, and then, yan.
Okay.
And then slow fire lang. Not yet, ha. We will put a little oil lang, ha.
Okay.
Oh, so, you want to put a little oil?
Yeah.
Hold it properly, then there.
Only a bit.
A bit, okay. Great,
Is this enough?
Na konti lang. Oops, enough. And then, let it heat. Because it just is scrambled. Others nga don't put it's water.
Next.
No. Don't. You will have to use this one, the non-stick. Okay?
The spatula?
The spatula. We call this You call it spatula in the school? Not yet. It's not yet hot. And then you will get one. And then put it there.
Okay.
Because we don't put it directly here. Diba sometimes the rats are playing here.
Yeah.
Okay. So, gananin mo. Kung mainit na. Don't put Is it hot?
Yeah.
Oh, you put na.
It's a bit hot.
Oh, yan na. It's okay na. Oh. Not too high. Some more. Just 1 egg if it's for me.
Okay.
Kahapon pa niya ako gusto ipagluto. Ay, kaya lang,
It's,
yung
it's a bit white.
Yeah. No. Oh. Sabi ko kasi inuwi niya sa akin. Kasi hindi niya alam. Sabi ko kaya ka sabi gusto mo na kumain. Nararamdaman ko yung uwi niya. Okay. How did
It's bubbling a bit?
Yeah. How did they taught you to do it? That's okay?
Yeah.
Oh, sige.
So we'll just wait.
Yeah. You can flip over. Do you know how to na?
I'll just wait until it.
Okay. Kasi we will have to flip it over. And then we can put off the fire dahil it's hot na, ha? So flip it over. Very good. So that's for me, ha? Patayin na natin, ha? Kasi it will be cooked by the remaining heat. Okay? Diba that's what you did in school,
Yeah.
But are you using, Are you using electric stoves?
Yay.
Yeah.
Yay.
Thank you, Joaquin, for cooking for
Okay,
me.
you're welcome.